Life's most persistent and urgent question is, what are you doing for others? Never succumb to the temptation of bitterness. Man must evolve for all human conflict a method which rejects revenge, aggression and retaliation. The foundation of such a method is love. Let us not seek to satisfy our thirst for freedom by drinking from the cup of bitterness and hatred. We must build dikes of courage to hold back the flood of fear. In some not too distant tomorrow the radiant stars of love and brotherhood will shine over our great nation with all their scintillating beauty. You can kill the dreamer, but you can't kill the dream. I want to be the white man's brother, not his brother-in-law. Even though we face the difficulties of today and tomorrow, I still have a dream. A right delayed is a right denied. Freedom is never voluntarily given by the oppressor, it must be demanded by the oppressed. The hottest place in hell is reserved for those who remain neutral in times of great moral conflict. We must learn to live together as brothers or perish together as fools. The quality, not the longevity, of one's life is what is important. A genuine leader is not a searcher for consensus but a molder of consensus. The moral arc of the universe bends at the elbow of justice. I am not interested in power for power's sake, but I'm interested in power that is moral, that is right and that is good. We are not makers of history. We are made by history. There comes a time when people get tired of being pushed out of the glittering sunlight of life's July and left standing amid the piercing chill of an alpine November.